Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My peace be upon you all. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greeting of virtue. The honor level of the thesis writing course. Good morning, Miss Setia Aryani, SPD MPD. In this special occasion, I'm Winnie Ramania, a student of English Literature Study Program, Faculty of Humanities, Universitas Mulawalungan. I would like to talk the lecture of the thesis writing course, Ms. Setia, who has given her time for my lecture in the semester 4. The question about my mini proposal with the title is Analysis of Figurative Language, Hyperbole, and Symbol in Canonic Song Lyric. Well, my mini proposal consists of the three chapters. The first chapter is introduction, second chapter is introduction review, and the last chapter is research methodology. In the first, the chapter 1 is introduction. Framework of study. According to Miller and Greenberg, figurative language is a type of indirect statement that says one thing but has another meaning. Figurative language is a which has different meaning from each word. Semantic is a branch of linguistics that studies meaning content is a language code or type of representation. Semantic is an approach that studies structure meaning and how meaning is expressed through language. Using Miller Greenberg and Piran theory to analyze this research. The research question is one, what form of hyperbolic expression are used in the lyric of the song Count on Me by Bruno Mars? And number two is what kind symbol are used in the lyric of Count on Me by Bruno Mars? And then the purpose of study is first to find out the hyperbolic expression are used in the lyric of the song Count on Me by Bruno Mars, and the second is find out the symbol phase are used in the lyric Count on Me Bruno Mars. Significance of the study is rhetorically and the type and two is type of figurative language. And scope and limitation is the research aim to find the types of figurative language described in the lyric of Count on Me, Bruno Mars, such as hyperbole and symbol. Definition of the key term is figurative language, semantic, song lyric, hyperbole, and the last is Bruno Mars. In the chapter 2 is the review of relative literature is the one is semantic. Semantic is theory that describes meaning language can to express implicit meaning that can be understood by other people. And the second is figurative language. Figurative language is more effective in transferring the meaning of the reader because first, figurative language affords reader imaginative pleasure in literary works. Second, it is a way to bring attentional imagery to first making the abstract concrete, making literary works more sensuous. The third is figurative is a way of adding emotional intensity to otherwise merely information statement and conveying attitudes along with information, and the last is a way saying much in brief compass. And the three is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a type of figurative language that emphasizes and emphasizes something more than just fact. And the last is song lyric. According to Giraffe said, the word song refers to musical works that have words. And then the previous study, the researcher can give the previous study have a tree. The first one is Indonesian figurative language in Bruno Mars album by Darissa Adah, Rahmawati Sumaningrum, and Ajeng Setiorini. The second is the analysis of figurative language used in the lyric Bruno Mars song by Honey Magazine and Irwan Sulistianto. And the last previous study is figurative language in Maher Zain song, lyric by Laila Alifiana Dewi 2020 from State Institute for Islamic Studies of Ponorogo. In the chapter 3 is research. The last chapter is chapter 3 in research method. The one is research design. The research will use qualitative methods as description of the research by applying a figurative approach to describe this research. According to Bogdan and Field Plan, the state this qualitative research is also descriptive. The research uses methods and different approaches when conducting the research. Data and data research. Data and data research for this research is Bruno Mars song entitled Count on Me, which was published in 2013 and was written by Bruno Mars as a singer and included in the album song in the Key of BSc Volume 2. Research instrument. Research instrument used are human or researchers themselves, which the mean is the human can pass response and analyze data collection, test in validation carefully in comparing various insights, and that can be done. And data collection technique is first listening to the song. The second is listening and understanding the lyric song. And the three is take a note and underline the lyric that refer to hyperbole and symbol found in the lyric song. The last is capture all the data containing the hyperbole and symbol that was chosen from a data source in the notebook. Data analysis, qualitative data, consists of several methods including data reduction, presentation, and conclusion. Data reduction in quality data analysis. First step data reduction, such as selecting, organizing, condensing, and record important written things according to the categories intended to be analyzed. The data display is a data with a simple basic data can be presented a content and organization manner and discussing interrogably. And the last is conclusion image. The final step in the conclude from the results have a research. The song Count on Me by Bruno Mars is a research data. Thank you for attention in my mini proposal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.